Good morning, students. Welcome to online class arranged by Raju Girls High School. I hope you are safe and sound at home. Let's go start our class. Welcome to online class arranged by Raju Girls High School. Let me introduce myself. I am Dinesh Giri, Assistant Teacher English, Raju Girls High School, Raju Madanpur. Today my class is for class 8 and subject English first paper. Look at and talk about the picture. In this picture, the man embraces the tree. In this picture, the man lays on the trees. In this picture, two men are trying to plant trees, and this is another man who embraces a tree. So all the picture indicates the passion of trees. So we say that this is the love for trees. So our today's lesson is a man who loves trees in 5 lesson 4. Learning outcome after entire lesson, the student will able to learn ask and answer question. After learning this passage, they ask and answer the question, read and understand text through silent reading. They try to read the passage silently, infer meaning from the context. They try to identify the meaning of the keywords. Write answer to question. Dear student, please see the picture. Do you know the person? This is most famous and lovable person in Bangladesh. Do you know this person? I have to know the person. Please see who is he. He is Kartik Koramuni. Let us introduce with him. Now I am giving some information about the man. This is Kartik Koramuni. Name Kartik Koramuni. Father's name Suresh Koramuni. Mother's name Subhash Bala. Village Tarapur, Upazila, Shivganj District, Chapannagarganj. Birth year 1942. Profession hairdresser. Passion planting trees. Quality of the plant more than hundreds. Identity natural lovers. Among this information, these three information is most important for the man. Hairdresser, his profession is not highly level, he is normal in professional, but his passion is planting tree, and so he is called the natural lover. After flashing himself, he got many prize or he got many achievement. Now we are trying to see this achievement of his life. He got many awards in his life for planting trees. Let's introduce some keywords. Now we are going to identify and try to search some meanings of word in this passage. The first word is profession. Profession means someone who works to earn money. Occupation, job or business. Kartik Koramuni is a hairdresser by profession. Sapling means young plant or plant shading. Everybody should plant sapling. Passion. Passion means desire or devotion, lust or attraction. This is the love between a child and mother. So passion means deep love. This is the symbol of heavenly passion. Look at the picture, and this is a big tree. The word is gigantic. Gigantic means huge very large. What is gigantic trees? It is the what means is mission, and the meaning is aim, target, purpose of life. The build of a digital Bangladesh is our mission. Hairdresser, a person who cuts and dress hair, a barber. So, I am going to discuss English for today. And please student, you see, open your English for today book, unit 5, lesson 4, page number 15, and try to read the passage silently. This is the map of Chapainawabganj and this is the Shibganj. In Shibganj Upazila, the picture is very beautiful. Now there are many trees in this area. In this area, Kartik Paramani was born. Kartik Paramani lives in this village. Once there are hardly any trees in this village. Some years ago there was hardly any trees in this village, but now it is fulfilled with different kinds of trees. And the achievement for Kartik Paramani. Look at the picture. Kartik Paramani and his love for trees. This is the house of Kartik Paramani. This is the family of Kartik Paramani. This is the profession of Kartik Paramani, and this is his activities to plant trees. Kartik used to go different house for his job. After that, sourcing sun. After that, Kartik Paramani became tired, and there is no any trees to take rest. For this reason, he started planting trees with some laborers beside the roads, college, open field, and where there is no trees. Now try to find out the true false from this information. He planted the first trees 50 years ago. Kartik wrote money from others to plant trees. He would plant trees around his heart only. At times Kartik would water his trees at night because he felt lazy during the day. You try to find out the answer from this passage, true or false. Next, choose the best answer. Kartik was a judge by profession, hairdresser. The mission is to make the village green by planting many trees. Some of Kartik trees are big and gigantic. Some of trees are now dash year old, 35 or 40. Now, student, this is your pair work. Read the text again and answer the following question. Who is Kartik Paramani? You write down your answer on your copy. How do you understand that he is a nature lover? Why did he plant trees? Or do you understand by the saying a man who can hardly see his nature is leaving his signature all around in nature? You will try to write down the answer in your copy at home. So we are coming the end of the discussion. Your homework is that write a paragraph on tree plantation. After reading this passage, you will try to write a paragraph about tree plantation and its importance and its reason, etc. Dear student, see the picture and try to understand this sentence. If we cut one trees, we will plant 4 trees or 5 trees. So let us plant trees and save our environment. If we plant trees, we will save our environment. Thank you very much for giving me time and goodbye. Thank you all.